I'm at Lovebird Almost Famous Chicken today in Lakeland, Florida. This is one of our go-to spots. About every 6 to 8 weeks we like to come over here and get some fried chicken. We saw this on the news. Charley Belcher was here one morning and we thought we would drive over. That's been probably about a year ago. I wouldn't normally film in a bathroom, but I think it's hilarious that when you come in the bathroom here, they have chicken sounds playing. Can you hear that? Our favorite stops. If you haven't tried it, you should come over and give it a try.